suffering from erectile dysfunction. You are not alone. Nearly 30 million men in the US experience erectile dysfunction. Discover in this video how aloe vera can improve overall sexual performance in men, enhance erectile function, regulate sex hormones, and improve the quality of sperm. Everything will be evidence-based. Aloe vera is essential in the treatment of erectile dysfunction. Before diving in, don't forget to watch my other video, How to Make Aloe Vera Recipes for Health Benefits. How does aloe vera help in erectile dysfunction? Aloe vera has the following functions in the treatment of erectile dysfunction. Aphrodisiac potential of aloe vera. An aphrodisiac is a substance that is believed to stimulate sexual desire and performance. A research has shown the aphrodisiac by elevating testosterone levels in male rats. Natural vasodilator. Aloe vera helps to increase the amount of nitrogen in the body. This loosens the blood vessels, thereby allowing blood flow to the penis. Once there is substantial blood flow to the penile region, the man gets an erection. Testicular toxicity. Bisphenol is a chemical produced by plastic and causes hormone disturbances. It also leads to testicular toxicity and infertility. Aloe vera has shown protective effects by overcoming the damaging effects of this chemical. Blood pressure regulation and vascular health. Very high and low blood pressure levels may result in erectile dysfunction. People who have diabetes are more likely to experience erectile dysfunction because of high blood pressure. When taken orally, aloe vera gel helps to stabilize blood pressure levels. Stable blood pressure is essential in the maintenance of an erection. Maintain blood sugar levels. A common characteristic of type 2 diabetes is the presence of damaged blood vessels and nerves. The damage is a result of high blood sugar levels. This condition prevents continuous blood flow into the penis, therefore causing erectile dysfunction. Aloe vera supplement, when taken, helps lower blood sugar levels. This helps to allow continuous flow into the penile region, hence achieving an erection. Vitamin B. Cholesterol is one of the major causes of erectile dysfunction in men, as it clogs the blood vessels. This, in turn, affects the flow of blood into the penile area, resulting in erectile dysfunction. Vitamin B in aloe vera helps to improve erectile function in men with high cholesterol levels. Weight loss. Obesity is one of the causes that reduces the levels of testosterone in the bloodstream. Lower testosterone in the bloodstream, in turn, results in erectile dysfunction. Aloe vera helps reduce weight as its laxative property helps fight water retention. When obese men lose weight, their erectile functioning improves. Aloe vera also stimulates the production of sperm and rapid cell division, which helps in the production of testosterone, thereby improving the erectile functioning in men. Thanks for watching.